Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting the controller. Use a USB cable for stability or pair Bluetooth for convenience. Windows detects Xbox and many X input devices automatically. Once done, open the Xbox Accessories app and update firmware. This fixes latency and compatibility. Next, calibrate and control panel under game controller settings so inputs are linear and responsive. Make small adjustments to dead zones. Do this now so Forza Horizon 5 reads consistent input when you load Forza Horizon 5 and head straight to Settings Controller. Select a base layout, Classic or Simulation, then Customize. Change steering sensitivity to balance twitch versus smooth inputs. Adjust inner and outer dead zones to remove drift without losing small corrections. Once happy, set vibration lower if it masks subtle feedback. Make small, repeatable changes and test on a highway. Fine-tune steering and brake curves until cornering feels natural and consistent. You finalize by testing across free roam and several races, using the same car to compare differences. Make iterative adjustments, one change at a time, so you can trace effects. If you see drift or lost inputs, recalibrate in Windows, swap to wired USB, fresh batteries, or run the Windows controller troubleshooter. These steps fix most hardware and driver issues. Finally, save a custom profile in Xbox Accessories or Forza so you can restore a working setup quickly and avoid repetitive tuning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.